Hey guys, if you like this video, please don't forget to click on the subscribe button and the little bell icon to get regular update for my new videos.
Hi guys, this is Neetu and welcome to my YouTube channel. So for today's nail art design, I thought of going with some matte simple nail art design. But I don't know what happened, how this design turned from a simple match to a beautiful bridal nail art design. And I did not realize it till the nail polish was done. But once it was done, I felt it looked really pretty. So guys, if you're going for a wedding or a function, you can do this nail art on your nail. So without wasting any time, let's start with the video.
Start with a base coat. I am using this by Essence. It's good to use a base coat because it protects your nail from getting stained and it also gives your nail polish a smooth surface. Once I'm done with my base coat, I'm going to use this Nika matte polish in shade Ruby Blaze. It's a beautiful red shade. And I think one coat is more than sufficient, but still I'm going to go for two. Don't worry about the polish getting on your skin because you can easily remove it with the help of a brush and some acetone. For my index finger, this is the stamping plate I'm going to use and this particular design. For stamping, I'm going to use this Nika polish in shade Sun Kissed Gold. So I'm going to apply this polish only on the lower part because I only want that particular design on my nail. Just remove the extra with your scraper. Pick up the design with your stamper and place it the way you want it and just press it gently. Got it. So I'm going to apply a matte top coat because I have used this golden polish and it's not matte. So the matte polish I have used is by Revlon. Now for my middle finger. This is the design I'm going to stamp on my middle finger. So apply the same golden polish. Remove the extra. It's a beautiful design. Just press it gently. Yeah, and it really looks pretty on your nail also. So I'm just going to apply this golden color with the help of a brush on my nail bed. This will make this design more beautiful. And now I'm going to apply a matte top coat. Moving on to my little finger, I'm going to apply a base coat. And now the same golden color by Nika. And I think one coat is more than sufficient. This is the design I'm going to stamp and the color I'm going to use is same red. This is looking a little pink more than red. Now apply the matte top coat and it's done. So this is the way this design is going to look. You can easily use this nail art design for any function you are going to attend. If you are going to try this nail art at home, don't forget to send me the picture. If you have any question, write them in the comment box. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.